thing you to do my ramen chain. Me and my
Hi guys, my name is Terry and I'm based off of Accra. I'm a beauty YouTuber and a fashion blogger. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to achieve this beautiful natural hairstyle. Yes, this is a protective hairstyle that you can have for at least a week if you maintain it right. So I hope you stick on to the end and don't forget to like, share, comment, and please subscribe. I've been getting a lot of subscribers lately and it's so exciting to see you guys signing up to my channel. Subscribe please. Thank you. This is a natural hair faux puff. I used a faux ponytail to achieve this hairstyle. So yes, it's not my real hair. Disclaimer out there. So these are the products that I used to achieve this hairstyle. I used 1 pack of hair, a regular crochet needle, regular size crochet, and this thing, I've forgotten what it's called. Make sure you're separating the extensions really neatly so they don't get tangled up. I make sure I separate one piece. They come in these pieces, so I separate one piece into at least 5. So this is my first demonstration on how to actually crochet the hair onto the cap, onto the net, sorry. So with the second demonstration, do the invisible method all around the net to make sure that all around the net is seemingly invisible, so you can't see that band around. When I'm done with the puff, that band will be pretty much invisible. To make sure that the hair I'm using is sufficient, it's better to have spaces in the middle than to have spaces all around. I like the perimeter of the faux puff to be really full. If you have any issue with making this and you can't make it yourself, you can leave me an email or I don't know, a comment or something. So I'm already done with the perimeter. That's how it's going to look. You just repeat the same process all over until you have no space left. once you're done, you can see you've done a very good job, because I feel like I did a good job. So now it's just time to trim, because as you can see, the edges are looking kind of jagged. So you just go in a little with your scissors to make sure that everything is looking more rounded, you know, as if you had a haircut, something nice. So you're just fluffing it out to get those uneven ends, so I can trim them off nicely. As soon as I'm done trimming the uneven ends, I'm going to show you exactly how I install this natural hair faux puff. It's really simple. It took me less than 5 minutes to do this, and it turned out looking so natural. If you've watched up to the point, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I love you all so much. Thank you. Guys, I have a video showing you 10 simple but really elegant ways to wear this same natural hair puff. 10 different hairstyles. Can you believe it? Did you know that was possible? You have to subscribe so you can get to watch it too.